Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update video for the end of 2022 as we rapidly approach the new year. Just want to give a quick thanks to everybody for subscribing, watching the videos, sharing the videos, liking the videos, leaving comments on the videos, etc. On the table here we just have a few items I came across on one shelf that I want to sift through and do specific videos on. And you can see here some print media, as well as want to do videos on more specific items now that I've accumulated quite a backlog of items to go through, whether they be things like canteens, pouches, optical items, etc., garments. I do have a mannequin now. I don't know if I can get this into view, but so now we can actually display garments on a physical medium and get a better idea of how this stuff fits. So just a quick update video. Thanks to everybody again for joining us, and look forward to more videos in the future. Thanks.